Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 50 of Run the Year 2021, where we post every day for this year until we get to 2021 miles or more. It's also day 19 of our 22-day challenge of flat stomach. So today, again, we're still in the static and dynamic exercise. So we'll start with some elevated planks, and then we'll do some elevated planks with a knee drive, and then we'll be done. So this one is 5 repetitions, 20 seconds apiece, for 3 sets for each of the exercises. So we'll do a total of 10 per set. Okay, so with that, we'll get started. We have our, well, first of all, let me first say welcome to all our viewers, new viewers and subscribers. If this is your first time here, hey, if you like what you see, hit that like button down below, and also hit that subscribe button to help us out. But again, this is a channel where it's all about motivation. It's all about moving the body. It's all about inspiration. So, hey, let's get it done. It's time to get started. We're going to knock it out. We got our Christmas over there. She's got the timer. And we're going to get started. So it's going to be elevated planks, 5 repetitions of 20 seconds, and begin. And here you go. And again, squeeze those abs, right? Squeeze the abs. Breathe through it. That's half the battle, is breathing through it and squeezing, right? Still working on the transverse, abdominis, and the pelvic floor muscles. So we'll get that done. Today was crazy, was it not? With the rain this morning, yeah. It literally just, it's been raining all day, soaking us down. Okay, here we go, number 2, and begin. So, yeah, we got our cardio in, and just as we finished the cardio, it opened up and caught us while we're still out in the streets. But it's all good because it's just liquid sunshine here in Hawaii. It's not rain. We'll call it liquid sunshine. All right, there's number 2. Number 3. And here we go, begin. Doing a great job, Krista. Look at you. Look at you slimming that tummy. Keeping it nice and tight. And you guys out there are doing the same thing. Keeping it tight. All right. Which number is this? Number 4? All right, number 4, here we go, and begin. All right, I had to throw one in on him.
What?
You didn't even see it.
What'd you do?
Nothing. She didn't see it, y'all. All right, last one, then we get to do the knee drives. And begin. Oh man, yeah. All right. Hang in there, guys. Breathe through it. How you doing, Chris?
Good.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now we're going to start our knee drives. Just going to alternate the knees and bring them to underneath the armpits. And whenever you're ready.
Okay. All right.
And begin. Just like that. Just drive them underneath, or as far as you can go, underneath your armpit. Squeeze. Squeeze. Exhale on the way up. Inhale on the way down. Nice. Stay on it. Nice. Okay, that's 1. And here we go. Begin. What? Squeeze. Exhale and squeeze. Good job. Good job, Chris. Good job. Squeeze them up. It's number 2. Feel the burn. Feel the burn.
We don't like breaks.
No, we don't like breaks. We just want to get it done. We'll get the break after the set. Come on. We'll get the break after the set. Let's get through the first set. Good job. Good job. Remember to exhale when you bring those knees up. All right, that's number 3. Here's number 4. And begin. All right. Squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. Remember, you get what you get in, or you get out of it what you put in. So let's go. Let's put it all in there. Here we go. Okay, last one, and we can take a break, and we can let you guys go, and we'll finish our next 2 sets. All right, here we go, Chris. Doing great. Doing great. Here we go. Doing great. Doing great. Squeeze. Squeeze. All right. All right. Remember, quality, not quantity. We don't have to go fast. You don't have to go fast. Just squeeze. Okay. Good job. Okay, fam. Great job. You got it in. You got that first set down. I'm proud of you. If you like what you saw, if you got something out of it, go ahead and hit that like button down there. And if this is your first time here, hey, hit that subscribe button. So from Chris and I, hey, invest in yourself, invest in your health. We'll talk to you tomorrow.